Are you tired of struggling with your power tools, constantly switching between batteries and dealing with dead cells when you need them most? For the best price, click the link in the description. But here's what surprised me about the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2904-20. It's not just a drill driver, but a powerhouse that can handle even the toughest tasks with ease. Therefore, I'm going to give you the lowdown on this beast of a tool and let you know if it's worth the investment. As an avid DIYer and contractor, I've tried my fair share of power tools from various brands, but Milwaukee always stands out in terms of quality and performance. The M18 Fuel 2904-20 is no exception, but what makes this particular model so special? Let me tell you. First off, the M18 Fuel platform is a game changer. It's a cordless system that offers up to 3x more runtime and 60% more power than other tools on the market. That means you can get more done in less time without worrying about running out of juice when you need it most. However, there's an even bigger benefit to this platform. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2904-20 also features a unique battery management system that prevents overdischarging and prolongs battery life. This is especially important if you're working on projects that require long periods of usage without breaks. Therefore, your investment will last longer than expected. But what about the performance itself? In my tests, the M18 Fuel 2904-20 consistently delivered exceptional results. The drill driver was powerful and precise, handling everything from wood to metal with ease. But here's the thing. It's not just about raw power, it's also about speed and control. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2904-20 features a high-speed transmission that allows for more efficient drilling and driving. This means you can get your tasks done faster without sacrificing quality. However, this does come at a cost. One thing to keep in mind is the price point of the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2904-20. As an investment tool, it's not cheap, but trust me when I say it's worth every penny. Therefore, if you're serious about your projects and want top-notch results without breaking the bank, this might be a viable option for you. But how does it hold up against other similar tools on the market? In my opinion, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2904-20 stands out in terms of durability and performance. But let's dive deeper into some of its key features to see what makes it tick. One major selling point is the inclusion of a 5-year warranty that covers repairs and replacements. This gives you peace of mind when investing in this tool, as you know you're covered no matter what happens. However, there are also other benefits to consider. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2904-20 is part of the larger M18 system, which means you can easily integrate it with other tools and accessories from the same brand. This offers a range of flexibility and convenience that's hard to find elsewhere. Therefore, if you're looking for a tool that will grow with your needs over time, this might be an excellent choice. But what about maintenance and upkeep? I've found that the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2904-20 is relatively low maintenance, especially considering its performance level. The battery management system helps prolong battery life, while the design itself is durable enough to withstand heavy usage. As a result, you'll spend less time worrying about keeping your tool in working order and more time focusing on what matters most, getting the job done efficiently and effectively. However, there's one thing I wish Milwaukee would consider improving. The user interface of the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2904-20 is generally easy to navigate, but some users might find it a bit cluttered for their taste. Nevertheless, this is a minor quibble in what otherwise is an exceptional tool. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable and powerful drill driver that will take your projects to the next level, I highly recommend considering the Milwaukee M18 Fuel 2904-20. As with any investment tool, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. But for those who value performance, convenience, and durability above all else, this might be an excellent choice. Therefore, don't wait, click the link in the description below to get the best price on Amazon and start experiencing the power of Milwaukee M18 Fuel for yourself.